I have completed this course recently and I want to answer some of the questions or doubts regarding this course. 1. What this course is all about and what you will learn from this course. Marketing course where you will understand all the nitty-gritty required for digital marketing, DM. One thing I personally liked about this course is that it really explains each and everything from A to Z of DM in a very easy to understand and case study based teaching, which is very nice. Also, another USP of this excellent course is this is offered by Google, which will definitely help to shine your CV. 2. What all things are covered in the course. It covers basically everything that is required in terms of the basics of digital marketing. Surely this is not the end, this is just a start in your journey of digital marketing. It covers topics like search engine marketing, same, search engine optimization, SEO, social media campaigning, email marketing, analytics tools, etc. 3. Who should take this course?
One, all those who have just begun their journey in digital marketing and are confused about where to begin from, so this is the right course for them. 2, all those who have business or startup and want to take their business online, or those who are planning to open a startup, then you should surely do this course because knowing the marketing and how to use it efficiently will surely help your business or startup to achieve greater heights. Digital Marketing Certification of Google have 26 modules, maximum 40 hours to complete. After completing the exam you will have a assessment of 60 questions and you will have to complete them in 2 hours. My personal opinion, the course is pretty simple for industry people, assessment is not that hard. Best of luck and please upvote if you liked it.